Hi guys, I'm sure you clicked this if you got a build wheel error trying to install some sort of library in Python. And two things caused this. It's installing Python wrong or installing the library wrong, or both, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So, firstly, you're going to want to uninstall Python if you already have it. First go to Settings, then type Installed Apps. Once you're there, search the apps for Python and uninstall everything there, the launcher and the Python, or the manager, all of it. Once you have uninstalled that, restart your laptop and come back. Alright, once you've restarted, go ahead and open your browser, type python.org. You're going to see this screen, right? Hover over Downloads, and in Downloads, you're going to, if you see this download for Windows, these two buttons, the install manager is the incorrect one, but the Python 3.14.2 is the right one. So if you see that, just go ahead and click that. When I had this issue first, I didn't see that at all. So to fix that, you're going to hover over Downloads and then click All Releases, or your system, which for me is Windows. And then click the latest Python whatever. Now you could have done this by just clicking all versions, but once you're on this screen, you're going to want to scroll down. Now all the tutorials I've seen, like, they had an outdated screen. They didn't show this, but yeah, once you scroll down, you're going to see these files. Do not install from there because those are install managers. Now I'm trying to show you because it's wrong. I'm installing the install manager, and as you can see, it's like this brown box. You don't want that. It's going to cause you problems later down the line for if you're a beginner like me. What you do want is these installers down here, and if you're lazy, you can just do Control F, type Windows installer, and as you can see, there's an installer 64-bit. Most of you are going to want to go with that. Most of your systems can handle 64-bit. If you know for sure you can't, go 32. And if you're on Mac, go for Mac OS installer course. Alright, once you've installed that, file should end in exe. And then you're going to want to double click that. And once you get here, install Python. See, before when you use the install manager, it would open the command prompt, the big black screen. But now that we're here, you're going to want to check both boxes. Allowing Python to path will make it so your system can locate the pip in your Python and know exactly where to put each library into your Python folder. And then after that, you're going to click install. Once it's installed, it's going to say setup was successful, After that, you're going to want to open your command prompt once more. To verify, type Python space -- version, and it should say the latest version, and then type pip space -- version, and you should see that pip, which is integrated into Python, is also installed. Now, the proper command is pip space install space pygame-ce. And you can see for me it says requirement already satisfied because it's already installed. But that was the issue. The issue was that you were saying pip install pygame without the ce. And if you go into Pygame's website, which this isn't your fault, it will also say the incorrect command. Now let's check another library to make sure it works. Here we are on Pillow, and we're going to copy and paste the latest command. And as you can see, it's downloading, and it works successfully. So this is it, guys. This is how you fix installing libraries in Python. You have to install Python correctly for your beginner ways because command prompt is kind of confusing. And you have to say the right command. Proving this works, open whatever you used to code and create a new Python file. Then import that library you just downloaded. And then create an instance of that library For pygame, it's pygame.init, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. And then VS Code's going to ask me to name my file, so just go ahead and name that file. And as you can see, when it's run, there is no errors. Pygame is now working, and you can use it freely. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video so it goes above the outdated ones and helps someone else. And if something's still not working, go ahead and comment a detailed comment, and I will try to help you as best I can. Happy New Year's!